Hi, I'm Lucas from MED-EL은. I'm here to show you how to set up and use your AudioStream cover with your SONNET series audio processor. First up, how to assemble it.
To assemble AudioStream, you must first remove the battery pack cover from your audio processor. To do this, make sure the cover is unlocked, then slide off the battery pack cover. Check that you are using a compatible battery pack frame or rechargeable battery adapter. Compatibility is indicated by this symbol. Make sure that the AudioStream cover is unlocked. Slide AudioStream completely over the battery pack frame or rechargeable battery adapter. This will switch on your audio processor. To prevent children from disassembling the audio processor, turn the battery pack cover lock clockwise into the locked position. Please note that the micro rechargeable battery is not suitable for young children under 3 years because the battery cannot be locked in place.
And that's it. Now you can start pairing your AudioStream.